credit intelligence deals with a business process that not many people are aware of, and that's called bankruptcy. And it has developed an insolvency management platform that enables it to deal with a large number of cases with relatively low overheads. It does this by attracting a large number of cases on a month-by-month basis through an extensive advertising campaign. And because of the insolvency management platform, it can deliver robust profits year in, year out, because it has high margins, and it locks its revenue in for periods of up to 4 years, because each case goes for that length of time. It is therefore pretty unique in keeping that low cost basis, which enables it to deliver profits of circa $2 million Australian per annum. Well, we've got the view that the Australian market represents a really good opportunity for credit intelligence. You know, the laws are similar to those in Hong Kong, which enables us to replicate their fee model structure. We think the macroeconomic environment in Australia is good at this point in time. Our newspapers are full of stories around mortgage stress, high levels of debt, and relatively low income growth, and we see those every day in the paper these days. The other thing is that you know, I've had experience in the Australian market, and because of that experience I can see how this system is adaptable to Australia, and it may also be adaptable to other jurisdictions as well. Well, the Australian market represents a good opportunity to expand and grow this business in an environment that's pretty similar from a legal perspective, and it's the ASX capital markets are good, and they allow us to raise the capital to fund that expansion. The Australian market is one that is known pretty well. We can move into that market relatively easily, in my view. We'd start in the West Coast, we'd look to establish ourselves here, grow the business, and then move it over east to get more scale. And it is something that I think can expand in a structured way, and we can protect the investment that we already have in relation to the Hong Kong business, which is continuing to grow and make profits as well. So look, I've been involved in the corporate insolvency industry and the personal insolvency industry for 25 years. I'm a chartered accountant for 37 years, and that sort of background I've combined with my Australian public company experience as well, which has been about the last 12 years. I've been involved in a number of companies on the ASX market. I'm currently the chairman of Venture Minerals, which is an ASX listed company, and I sit on the board of a large private company in Western Australia called the Hawaiian Group. Former roles, I've been president of the Chartered Accountants Australia and New Zealand. I've been a former vice president of the Fremantle Dockers and chairman of Cullen Wines. I think the model ticks a lot of boxes. It provides year in, year out profits from a locked in revenue stream of up to 4 years. It has a low cost base, and that means that the margins that it delivers are very good, and they are quite robust. So we've seen profit trends in this business for a number of years. A lot of money has been spent by the vendor in relation to the development of the insolvency management platform, and so those costs don't have to be replicated when we do try and expand this business into other jurisdictions. The plans for Australia are to establish the business on the West Coast. That's the market that I've operated in for many years and have the most experience in. Once we've done that, we'll move to the East Coast. We'll look to establish partnerships there or acquire businesses, and then we'll have coverage across Australia. So I'm really excited to be involved with credit intelligence. I think it ticks a number of boxes, and I think it's going to be successful.